Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to talk about something really exciting. I've challenged myself to eat one of these 10 amazing foods every single day for an entire week. And I want you to join me on this journey. Let's explore together how these foods can supercharge our health. Before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Did you know that nearly 80% of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer are preventable with a healthy diet? That's right. The food we eat plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. But sometimes incorporating those healthy options into our busy lives can feel like deciphering a cryptic code. Fear not, because today I am going to break down the enigma of healthy eating by sharing with you 10 amazing foods that are not just nutritious, but also incredibly delicious. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've heard about kale, chia seeds, and avocados till your ears are ringing. But trust me, this list has some hidden gems that will surprise you. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone looking to add a sprinkle of wellness into their routine, this video is for you. So get ready to discover new flavors, learn about incredible health benefits, and find simple ways to make these foods a part of your everyday life. Let's embark on this flavorful journey towards better health together. I am starting a new channel called Health Hack. Join me as I challenge myself to eat all 10 of these amazing foods for a week and see how they boost my health. Whole grain bread, a wholesome goodness. Whole grain bread is not just a healthier alternative to your regular bread, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Unlike refined white bread, whole grain bread is made from unrefined grains that contain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, the germ, and the end. This means it's packed with more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than simple carbohydrates, providing you with a steady release of energy throughout the day. Additionally, the fiber content aids digestion and helps you feel full for longer, making it a great choice for those watching their weight. One slice of whole grain bread typically contains around 80 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 20 grams of carbohydrates. It's important to choose bread that lists whole grains as the first ingredient to ensure you're getting the maximum nutritional benefit. So why not start your day with a slice of whole grain toast topped with avocado or nut butter for a nourishing breakfast? Quinoa, a complete protein. Quinoa is an ancient grain that has recently taken the health food world by storm. And it's not hard to see why. This gluten-free seed is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's a fantastic alternative for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their intake of animal products. Not only that, but quinoa is also rich in fiber, which helps in digestion and helps you feel full, making it another great option for those focusing on weight management. It's also a good source of iron and other essential minerals, with about 222 calories per cooked cup, 8.14 grams of protein, and 39.4 grams of carbs. Quinoa is a filling and nutritious addition to any meal, whether used as a side dish, in salads, or as a base for vegetarian chili. Quinoa is a versatile and healthy choice that can help boost your overall health. Chia seeds, tiny nutrient powerhouses. Chia seeds are tiny oval-shaped seeds that are packed with a ton of nutrients. They're high in fiber, healthy fats, and protein, making them a great choice for those looking to improve their diet. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that slows down the digestion process, leading to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. This can help with weight loss by reducing the overall calorie intake. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. Plus, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants that can help protect your cells against damage caused by free radicals. They're incredibly versatile and can be added to smoothies, yogurt, soups, and even used to make chia pudding. With approximately 60 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 12 grams of carbohydrates per ounce. Chia seeds are a low-calorie, high-nutrient option that can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Lentils, legumes for a healthy heart. Lentils are a type of legume that includes beans and peas. They're a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. Lentils are particularly known for their high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full, potentially reducing the risk of overeating. This is beneficial for those managing conditions like diabetes, as it helps control blood sugar levels. They're also rich in folate, magnesium, and potassium. Lentils are a low-calorie option with about 230 calories, 18 grams of protein, and 42 grams of carbohydrates per cooked cup. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in soups, stews, salads, and as a side dish. Regular consumption of lentils can contribute to a healthier heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving overall cardiovascular health. Salmon, omega-3, fatty fish. Salmon is a fatty fish that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and B vitamins. It is an excellent choice for those looking to improve their heart health, as the omega-3 salts found in salmon can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. These healthy fats also support brain health and may help prevent cognitive decline and certain types of dementia. Salmon is a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissue, making it a great choice for athletes or anyone looking to maintain healthy bones and muscles. One 3-ounce serving of salmon provides approximately 206 calories, 23 grams of protein, and 0 carbohydrates. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal that can help boost your overall health. Sweet potatoes, a vitamin A-rich root vegetable. Sweet potatoes are a versatile root vegetable that's packed with nutrients. They're an excellent source of vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. They're also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full, making them a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a good source of potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body and supports proper muscle function. With approximately 103 calories, 1.63 grams of protein, and 23.3 grams of carbohydrates per medium piece, sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious choice that can be easily incorporated into your daily diet, whether baked, mashed, or roasted. Sweet potatoes are a tasty and healthy option that can help boost your overall health. Broccoli, cruciferous, cancer fighter. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's been linked to numerous health benefits. It's a great source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. The high fiber content supports digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against cellular damage and boosts the immune system. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health, while folate is essential for cell growth and development. With approximately 55 calories, 3 grams of protein, and 12 grams of carbohydrates per cup of raw broccoli, it's a low-calorie, whether steamed, roasted, or enjoyed. Raw broccoli is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal that can help boost your overall health. Eggs, nature's multivitamin. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamin because they repacked with a wide range of nutrients. They're a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing teeth. Eggs are also rich in vitamins such as biotin, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, as well as minerals like selenium and choline. The protein and fat found in eggs can help promote helping you feel full and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways, making them a great addition to any diet. Whether scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a delicious and nutritious choice that can help boost your overall health. Almonds, nutrient-packed tree nuts. Almonds are a type of tree nut that's packed with nutrients and health benefits. They're high in fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium, making them a great snack option for those looking to improve their diet. Almonds can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Their healthy fats and protein content can help promote satiety, making them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Additionally, almonds are a good source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. With approximately 164 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 15 grams of carbohydrates per ounce, almonds are a filling and nutritious option that can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Whether enjoyed as a snack, in trail mix, or used in salads, almonds are a delicious and healthy choice that can help boost your overall health. Greek yogurt, a protein-packed dairy delight. Greek yogurt is a thick and creamy dairy product that is higher in protein and lower in fat compared to regular yogurt. It's a great source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their bone health and support optimal muscle function. The protein in Greek yogurt can help promote satiety, helping you feel full and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. It's also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion. With approximately 100 calories, 17 grams of protein, and 6 grams of carbohydrates per cup, Greek yogurt is a low-calorie, high-protein option that can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast, parfait topping, or in a smoothie, Greek yogurt is a delicious and nutritious addition that can help boost your overall health. And there you have it, 10 amazing foods that can help boost your health. From the whole grain bread to the Greek yogurt, each food brings its unique set of nutrients and health benefits. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being, so why not incorporate some of these amazing foods into your daily meals and experience the benefits for yourself? Which of these foods are your favorite? Do you have any other healthy foods that you swear by? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, do you want to forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips? We've got lots of videos coming out soon on various topics. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy, my friends.